How to use the DeerCast distance tool. Hit the Map tab in your DeerCast nav bar, then tap on your Tools button. It's the plus sign in the hexagon on the right side of your screen. Now, just slide your map around and zoom in or out until you've centered the reticle exactly where you want to begin measuring. Then tap Place Point, and keep placing points to add segments to your distance measurement. As you do so, DeerCast will label each segment with its distance. In addition, it'll give you a cumulative total distance in the upper left side of your map screen. When you've finished your measurement, just tap End, and tap Delete if you don't want to keep it, or Save if you do. When you tap Save, you'll be given the opportunity to add a title, select a date, and add a description. Once you've entered all the details you want, tap Save and you're finished. With the distance layer enabled, you can tap on any of your previously created distances to view or edit the details associated with them.
Thanks for watching this episode of DeerCast 101, and be sure to check out the full series as we help you dive deeper into DeerCast.